Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make these vegan, gluten-free, refined sugar-free gingerbread man cookies. They are so good. To a small bowl, add in 6 tablespoons of warm water. Then add in 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed and mix it all together. And then set it aside and save it for last. To a large bowl, add in a half cup of coconut sugar. Now add in a 1/4 cup of almond butter that is unsalted. Add 3 tablespoons of organic molasses. Now add in a 1/4 cup of softened vegan butter. Add a teaspoon of fresh ground ginger. Add in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now add in 1 cup plus a 1/2 cup of gluten-free flour of your choice. Add in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Now last, add in your flaxseed that has been gelled up right into the bowl. Now go ahead and mix it on a medium speed, and you can increase it as you go, but you're gonna wanna mix it until that flour is nowhere to be seen. It will be all beautiful once it's mixed together. Now just go ahead and place your cookie batter right into the refrigerator for about 1 hour. Now put some flour to the surface where you're going to be rolling out your dough, and place your chilled dough right on top of that and start dusting the top of it as well with some gluten-free flour, and take a rolling pin and start working the dough. And I need you to roll it out to the shape and thickness you want. Don't make it too thin. Thick is always better. After you roll that dough out, place it right into your freezer for about 2 hours. And then after 2 hours, take it out of your freezer. Make sure it is stiff. You don't want it soft too much at all. And go ahead, place it onto the counter, roll it out a little tiny bit more to make sure all of it's even. And get your gingerbread cookie cutters out and start cutting them as quick as possible. You don't want the dough to get too hot or warm. And place it onto a non-stick parchment paper or silk mat, which will help them not stick to the pan at all. If you're wondering, I am using a gingerbread man mold. I'm just pressing it on the body to make the little eyes in the body part. I think it looks super cool when it's done. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place all your gingerbread men into that oven. And be sure to set a timer for 12 minutes exactly. After the timer goes off, go ahead and take them out of the oven, and please let them cool on the counter for at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes because they will crumble. After these delicious cookies have cooled down, go ahead and plate it up on the plates and start serving it to your family. Remember to tell them it is refined, sugar-free, gluten-free, vegan, corn-free. It is so good, guys. Come on, you should share these off. Just so you know, you can share it to the people who aren't vegan, and they will never know that these are vegan. They're that delicious. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach me on Instagram, and I'll be so happy to answer your question for you.